Today we're going to talk about comparing two populations or groups with their means. So we're going to talk about the sampling distribution of x bar 1 minus x bar 2, and we're going to describe the shape, center, and spread of that sampling distribution. So if we have two populations, population 1 and population 2, okay, we've got simple random sample size n1 and a simple random sample of size n2. Our mean is mu sub 1 and our mean here is mu sub 2. Okay? And we have the standard deviation, sigma sub 1 and sigma sub 2. So if we have that, if we're looking at a sampling distribution, the shape, our sampling distribution would then be of x bar 1 minus x bar 2. And the shape of it would be normal, or approximately normal, we should say. Okay. If large counts / normal is met for both populations. The center, x bar 1 minus x bar 2, would simply be mu 1 minus mu 2. Okay, and the standard deviation, the spread, would be the square root of sigma 1 squared divided by n1, n sub 1, plus sigma 2 squared divided by n2, as long as the 10% condition is met for both populations. We'll deal more with the conditions tomorrow, but right now we're dealing with what it would look like. Okay? So let's do an example. Potato chip manufacturer buys potatoes from two different suppliers, Riderwood Farms and Camberley Incorporated. The weights of potatoes from Riderwood Farms are approximately normally distributed, with a mean of 175 grams and a standard deviation of 25 grams. The weights of potatoes from Camberley are approximately normally distributed, with a mean of 180 and a standard deviation of 30. When shipments arrive at the factory, inspectors randomly select a sample of 20 potatoes from each shipment and weigh them. Let x bar sub c minus x bar sub r be the difference in the sample mean weight of potatoes from the two suppliers. So A, what is the shape of the sampling distribution? Well, the solution is it's approximately normal, because both populations are approximately normal. Okay. B, find the mean of the sampling distribution. Well, x bar c minus x bar r would equal mu sub c minus mu sub r, which is 180 minus 175, or 5 grams. And C, because 20 is certainly less than 10% of each shipment for both companies, then we can use the formula, the square root of 25 squared over 20 plus 30 squared over 20 is going to equal 8.73 grams. And that's all we have to do.